Systems approach to HRM. To HRM. Introduction. It is truly suitable to think of human resource management as a system. A system is an interrelated set of variables functioning together as a whole. A human resource management system (HRM) is an integrated and interrelated approach to managing human resources that fully recognizes the independence among various tasks and functions that must be performed. The viewpoint is shown in the figure. The basic premise of the approach is that every variable of the human resource management system must be designed and implemented with full knowledge, understanding, and integration with various other elements. Systems approach is a management perspective which advocates that any business problem should be seen as system as a whole, which is made up of a hierarchy of subsystems. So rather than seeing the problems in parts, it should be seen as a whole. Importance of the systems approach. Systems approach is very important as it provides the bigger picture. It sees all departments and subsystems as contributing factors for an overall organization. Let us take scenario. If we are facing an issue in a company related to sales and we only see the problem to be solved with the sales department rather than all departments together, we may not be able to solve the problem effectively. Only focusing on sales will lead to more pressure on sales team to increase sales, leading to poor customer experience as the sales department will try hard on upselling or cross-selling. Only focusing on sales will lead to more pressure on sales team to increase sales, leading to poor customer pressure as the sales department will try hard on upselling or cross-selling. Advantages of this system approach. The benefits of this approach are: first, it helps to see the problem at the holistic level and resolve the issues. Second, systems approach helps understand the problem in a better way and comes up with a more efficient solution. Third advantage of the system approach is it clearly defines the scope or the boundary for the system and problems where in influence of internal and external factors can be seen. Systems approach to HRM. An enterprise cannot work in isolation, has to adjust its working to suit the environment. Subsystems. Departments that are created in any organization to carry out its business effectively. Human resource management system. From research and development to production subsystem, from production subsystem to finance system, from finance system to marketing subsystem, from marketing subsystem to research and development, from research and development to production subsystem, from production subsystem to HRM subsystem, from HRM subsystem to marketing subsystem. This is human resource management system.